See, let me go with the problem number 19 right here. The owner of a gift shop charges 44% more than the cost price. The customer paid rupees 648 for a wallet. What was the cost price of his wallet? It's very a simple thing. See, he is going to charge 44% more than the cost price, right? He is going to charge. So let us consider. Let us go with this. Cost price is equal to 100 rupees. He is going to charge 44% more means what? 44 rupees. 44% is nothing but 44 that into 100 that divided by 100. So you are going to get 44 rupees. So the selling price, see, it's very simple. For 100 rupees, he is going to charge 144, right? So he paid 648 rupees for a wallet. We are supposed to find cost price. So for cost price is equal to X, then this is going to be the selling price. 648 is going to charge for the wallet. Now go with this ratio, right? What happens here? 144x is equal to 648 into 100. So x is equal to 648 into 100 that divided by 144. Right? Let us start dividing by 12. Right? 648 divided by 144. If I divide directly, I am going to get 4.5, or otherwise let me go with this. Let me go with the 272s are, so 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Again let me go with the 2 36 are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, right, 2 2s are. This will become 162 into 100 that divided by 36. Further again you can go with the 2. So 2 18s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are. Right. Now you can go with the 9. 9 2s are, correct? 9 9s are. So this will become 9 into 100 that divided by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 50s are. So around 9 into 50, the cost price will become 450 rupees. So this is, so if he sells for 44% with margin, then he is going to get 648 rupees. The cost price is going to be 450 rupees. So the answer is 450.